Hello and welcome to my kitchen. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a fresh tomato chutney that goes really well with any type of bhajia or bhaji that you're having, and it's so quick and easy to make. So let's get cooking. You'll need one fresh tomato, which weighs around 110 grams, 1 tablespoon of chopped coriander, 1 or 2 green chilies depending on how hot you like it, a half a teaspoon of salt, 3/4 of a teaspoon of roasted ground cumin seeds, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. I'm using 1 to start off with. The first thing we'll do is chop the tomato into chunks and the green chili into small pieces. Then put all your ingredients except the ketchup into a chopper and pulse it. You want it to have some texture and fine chunks in it. Then remove it to a bowl and add the ketchup. If you like more ketchup, you can add it now. You can see that once you add the ketchup, it holds together really well. And there it is, your fresh tomato chutney is ready to enjoy with hot bhajias. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And check out the full recipe on my website, milhan.com. I'll see you guys soon for some more cooking inspiration.